Hooke's law states that stress equals strain. Strain is the change in the size or shape of an object due to outside forces. Like my quads this year after going on these stairs.
There are two components to strain, elastic and plastic.
So, elastic internal strain is when the strain is applied to the object, which is my underwear, and it pulls out, it changes its form. But then, when the strain is gone, it goes back to its original form.
When stress is applied to an object, like so, this object has been determined as plastic because after the stress has been applied, it stays in its deformed shape rather than its original.
The Earth is elastic because as the plates converge into each other, they eventually return to their normal state.
In 1906, someone noticed that someone's fence, which was once straight, suddenly was starting to curve. And then there was an earthquake. The fence split, giving us the elastic rebound theory, which states that the crust of the Earth can gradually store elastic stress and it gets released suddenly during an earthquake, like this fence that broke during the earthquake. Stress is a force acting on an area, like finals are doing to me. There are three types of stress that are released during an earthquake: tensional, compressional, and shear. Tensional stress is the stress that pulls things apart. Compressional stress is stress that squeezes something together. Shear stress is when force is applied parallel to a given surface.
Hey, didn't see you there. So there's three types of plate boundaries we've learned so far in geology. There's convergent, divergent, and transform. These three types of boundaries directly correlate with the types of stress we've talked about so far in the video. And this is how they correlate. So convergent plate boundary would be classified as compressional stress. So that means the divergent plate boundary would happen to be classified as tensional. That would leave us with the transform plate boundary, what would end up being classified as shear stress.
The year was 1906, the San Andreas slipped. Around there was destruction, with theories in the mist. The farmer had a long fence that lost his Jeep against the tension of the fault and the area it's in. So stress and strain are equal things, and that's what Hooke's law states. Strain could be two different things, and these are what they are. One is labeled plastic, and the other is elastic. Plastic never forms back, and elastic is some kind of like Play-Doh, I guess, which in itself is just earth. Yeah. Stress is actually three things that correlate due to faults. Compressional is pushed together, and tensional is away. Shears against another, like elbows in LA. Faults to be included, not once within our stars. Conversion is compressional, something that rhymes with stars. Divergent is tensional, and transform it is shear. Now you know the difference, inequalities, I guess. You may not know the difference, but I honestly tried my best.